mode. Okay, so I'm loosening the tension here so that I can easily slip this on. That's a very key ingredient, is you want to loosen. Oops, I accidentally tightened it. So lefty loosey, that's right. All right, a little tension. Cool, so I'm loosening the tension. That way it's very easy to slip the chain on and you're not fighting anything. Oop, I'm fighting a little bit here. Okay. I think it'll be easier if I loosen even more. It's kind of a dance, right? You're playing with the tension, you're playing with the chain to make sure the chain goes over the